find the Fourier transform of x of t is equal to e power minus a magnitude of t, where a is greater than 0. Draw its spectrum. Okay. What is the relation to find Fourier transform for the continuous signal? X of j omega is equal to integral from minus infinity to infinity x of t e power minus j omega t into dt. What is your x of t? I'm going to replace x of j omega, that is equal to minus infinity to infinity. X of t is e power minus a magnitude of t e power minus j omega t into dt. What is magnitude of t? Magnitude of t will be minus t and plus t. What is the limits for minus t? It will be from minus infinity to 0 and plus t will be 0 to infinity. This is the limits for magnitude of t, that is minus t and plus t. Okay, so I'm going to replace t with minus t and plus t. Meanwhile, I'm going to change the limits. That is, for first one, integral from minus infinity to 0 e power minus a into minus t into e power minus j omega t into dt. I'm going to split the integral from 0 to infinity e power minus a into t e power minus j omega t into dt. Now I am going to basis are same. We can add the powers so that we can rearrange the terms. That is integral from minus infinity to 0, that is e power a minus j omega into t dt plus integral from 0 to infinity e power minus of a plus j omega into t to dt. Okay, now I'm going to integrate e power a by a is the standard equation. Based on that, I'm going to integrate each term e power a minus j omega into t by a minus j omega, where limits from minus infinity to 0 plus e power minus of a plus j omega to t divided by a plus minus of a plus j omega from 0 to infinity. Apply the limits and tell me the answer. Apply the limits. If I am going to apply upper limit, e power 0 is 1 divided by a minus j omega minus infinity, that is 0 divided by a minus j omega for the first term limits. For the second term upper limit, it will be 0 by minus of a plus j omega plus minus lower limit minus of 1 by minus of a plus j omega. Okay, now if I'm going to, this will be 0 1 by a minus j omega minus into minus plus, so that plus 1 by a minus, sorry, a plus j omega, a plus j omega, that is equal to, take LCM, a minus j omega into a plus j omega, then it will be cross multiply, you will get a plus j omega plus a minus j omega. Here plus j omega minus j omega gets cancelled, that is equal to 2a divided by, you can a minus b into a plus b, so that you will get a square j square omega square, you will get minus of j omega whole square, that is equal to j square will be minus 1 plus 1, you will get a square plus omega square, 2a by omega, sorry, a square plus omega square you are going to get. This is the final equation. For this equation we need to draw the spectrum. Since the given x of t is even symmetric, x of t is an even symmetric, x of j omega is purely real. We got this as a real term. Okay, if I am going to compare a plus jb, this will be a real term. I am not getting. Make a note of this. Make a note of this. Then we'll try to sketch the spectrum. Or okay, now what you will do, what we got x of j omega, we need to draw the spectrum. X of j omega is equal to 2a plus a square plus omega square I got. Now I need to compare this with a plus in the JB form. A value will be this I got, that is 2a by a square plus omega square plus j into 0 I am getting. I don't have any b term, that is I will make it as a 0. By make use of this I am going to find the magnitude. First I will find magnitude. X of j omega is equal to root of a square plus b square, that is root of this. You will get 2a divided by a square plus omega square. Okay, we are going to find the magnitude. For this magnitude, I am going to sketch the spectrum. Okay, this is my spectrum. Omega magnitude of x of j omega minus a plus a. The signal will be from minus infinity to plus infinity. Across a, what is the value you are going to get? Okay, now you substitute plus a in terms of omega for the above equation, for the magnitude equation. If I will take for plus a, for plus a, if I am going to substitute first a plus a for the equation, that is you will get 2a divided by a square plus a square, that is 2a by 2a square. 2 gets cancelled, a and square will be gets cancelled, you will get 1 by a. This is your 1 by a. Next, for minus a in terms of replace for omega in the above equation. If I am going to substitute 2a divided by a square plus of minus a square. Omega is replaced by minus a. Okay, you will get 2 by a you are going to get. Minus into minus plus a square. 2 by a you are going to get. That is why I am going to represent this will be 1 by a and this will be 2 by a. No, you will get 1 by a only, right? What you will get, 1 by a or 2 by a? This will be 1 by a and this magnitude will be at 0. If I am going to substitute 0, you will be getting 2 by a. This will be 1 by a only. Both are same, a and minus a. If I am going to substitute 0, if I am going to substitute 0, you will get 2 by a. If I am going to substitute 0, that will be 2a by a square plus 0. That is 2a by a square a gets cancelled, 2 by a you are going to get at a peak. Next, we need to find for phase. For phase, x of j omega is equal to tan inverse of, tan inverse of b by a. That is b will be 0. You will get 0 only. So that the equation you are not getting x of e power j omega. This will be 0. No information. Got everyone? Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Can you try next problem? Find the Fourier transform of x of t is equal to delta of t. Draw its spectrum. We already discussed this in discrete signal. Delta of n. Use same procedure, but the formula will be changed. This will be continuous, that will be discrete. What is the answer you got?
One, sir.
Okay, one is correct. Spectrum is also throughout one from minus infinity to plus infinity. Next, try next problem. Find the Fourier transform of the signal x of t is equal to t into e power minus 2t into u of t. Got the answer? integration of uv, u into integration of v minus integration of du by dt into integration of v. In that form you have to do. What is the answer you got? You will get 1 by 2 plus j omega whole square you will get. Got everyone? At least anybody got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, find the magnitude and phase equation you find. Don't draw the spectrum. Just find the equation for magnitude and phase. Magnitude will be 1 by root of 4 minus omega square whole square plus 4 omega square. Phase will be tan inverse of 4 omega by 4 minus omega square. We'll go for next problem. Shall we move to next problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, take next problem. For the rectangle pulse, shown in the figure, draw the spectrum. Just they had given a rectangular pulse with a time period of minus t to plus t. This is my x of t. Amplitude will be 1. This is with respect to t. They had given this x of t. For this we need to draw the spectrum. Okay. What is the meaning of this? My x of t is amplitude 1. It will be vary from minus t to plus t. So far they had given a equation. X of t is equal to e power t into u of t, like that they had given. But for this problem they had given a spectrum. For this we need to write an equation. X of t is equal to integral from minus t to plus t, amplitude 1 into dt. This is the equation they had given. Okay, so that based on that, what I am going to do, x of j omega is equal to integral. Okay, here like this I can write x of t is equal to 1 from minus t to t, 0 for otherwise, means other cases I am going to represent. X of j omega, that will be standard equation you already know, x of t into e power minus j omega t into dt. Now I am going to take directly minus t to plus t, 1 into e power minus j omega t into dt. Now I am going to integrate this e power minus j omega t divided by minus j omega, limits from minus t to plus t. That is equal to, I am going to take outside minus 1 by j omega, minus 1 by j omega, I am going to take it outside, and then e power minus j omega t minus plus j omega t you are going to get. This is my limits. Next, I'm going to rearrange the terms. I will take 1 by omega into e power j omega t minus e power minus j omega t by j. I'm going to rearrange the terms like this. Okay, then I can write this with respect to 1 by omega into e power j theta minus e power minus j theta in terms of 2 sin omega t I'm going to get. This I can also written as this. I can also written like this 2 sin omega t divided by omega. I can write omega. I can write. Okay, now do one thing. This actually we got the equation. Now when omega is equal to 0, omega is equal to 0, what is your x of j omega? I need to get this 2 into t. Okay, how I am going to get this? I am going to get using L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule. How I am going to perform this here? X of j omega is equal to, I already got this. I'm going to do 2 into differentiation of sin with respect to omega, sin omega t with respect to this, divided by d omega by differentiation of omega by omega with respect to omega. I'm going to differentiate so that I will get 2 separately. Differentiation of sin omega t, I'm going to get cos omega t into t divided by differentiation of a constant will be 1. Now I am going to omega is equal to 0 in this equation. If I am going to take omega is equal to 0, I will get 2 into cos of 0 into t. I am going to get cos 0. Cos 0 will be 1, that is 2 into 1 t will get 2t. You are going to get x of j omega. Okay, for this we need to draw the spectrum. For that I need to draw the spectrum. Now to draw the spectrum, x of j omega is represented by the sinc function. Sin omega t by t I am going to represent as a sinc function. Sin of omega t by omega. This I am going to call it as a sinc function. How I am going to get sinc function? In the very basic class we have discussed about the sinc function. Sinc function will be vary from minus pi by t to minus pi by t to plus pi by t. Then it will be vary and it will be going to decrease the amplitude. Damping oscillations we are going to get. Like this I am going to get. Here we are going to get a maximum 2t. This represents your signal maximum x of j omega. This is with respect to omega. Sinc function condition, sinc of t is equal to 1 when t is equal to 0. Sin t by t for other cases, that is omega is equal to pi by t and plus pi by t and minus pi by t. That is the condition for sinc function. Like this, we have one more problem. The same signal, but minus t and plus t is replaced by minus omega and plus omega. You can try for that problem. Can you try for that problem? T is replaced by omega, the given problem. See, what I have given t here, t. For the same problem, you find for omega, minus omega and plus omega. See, either it may be minus t to plus t or omega to omega. Procedure is same, but you will get a different solution. Very, very important. So many times they asked it in the external exam. Try that problem.
Papa.